The M Systems m2xrp-j1v2-r is a speed transducer/transmitter used to monitor speed and then transmit the value to a process controller. This unit came from a semiconductor facility and it had no transmit output when it arrived. We repaired the faulty circuit, and as shown in the video, the output transmit light is blinking as it transmits the particular speed value. On the scope, the actual change in the transmitted value can be seen as the output is varied. We at ERD have repaired many transducer type products over the years, from ones like this to pressure and temperature transducers. If it measures a value and then sends it to a controller, we have worked on it in some shape or form. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.